Over the last few weeks, you have probably heard this everywhere. SEO is dead. Google search is dying. AI will replace the websites. ChatGPT is the new Google. And honestly, as someone who works in digital marketing and SEO, I want to talk about the what is actually happening. Because the truth is much more interesting than the headlines. But before we dive in, hi everyone, welcome to Krupali Talks. I am Krupali. I work in digital marketing, SEO, content strategy to helping the business grow online. Over the years, I will see how quickly the digital world is changing. And right now, we are witnessing the one of the biggest shifts we are seeing in the long time. That's exactly why I start the Krupali Talks. Not because I have all the answers, but because I have a real conversation about the technology, business, marketing, growth, and the changes shaping our future. So, if any of those topics interest you, you are in the right place. Now, let's talk about the questions everyone is asking. Is SEO really there? Let's go back a few years. Whenever we need information, we open the Google. We search for something. Google shows us websites. We click a website and read the informations. And eventually we found the websites, products or services we are looking for. The journey was very simple. Google, websites and business. But today something is changed. Instead of opening the Google first, many people are open the ChatGPT, other are using the Gemini, some of using a Claude, or some maybe are using the Perplexity. Instead of the getting a list of the links, they are the getting direct answer. People are asking the questions like what the best CRM software for a small businesses, which project management tools should I use, what is the best marketing strategy for my business, and AI give them answer instantly. No opening the 10 websites, no comparing the multiple blogs, just answer. And then naturally this create an important question. If people stop clicking the website, what happened to SEO? Is SEO really dead? Okay, first we understand what is GEO. This is where the GEO is come. GEO stand for the Generative Engine Optimization. The idea actually very simple. For a few years we optimized the content for the Google. The Google was the ranking higher in the search result. The higher we rank, the more traffic we reach. But now we are entering the world where the business also need to optimize their content for AI system, not just search but AI engine. The goal is no longer only for rank on Google. The goal is also becoming the trust source that the AI tool can understand the trust and reference. Let me give a simple example. For old SEO, ranked number on Google for best CRM software. Now new GEO become a source of the ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity reference that someone asks what is the best CRM software for small businesses. That completely different way of thinking. Personally, I don't think SEO is that. I think the bad SEO is that. Keyword surfing is that. Low quality blogs are that. AI generated snap content is that. Publishing a content only for ranking is that. But authority, expertise, trust, real content, those things are more important than ever. Because whenever it's Google or AI, both need trusted worth information. Both need credible source. Both need business that generally know that they are talking about. That's where the opportunity is. Over the next 3 years, I believe the business that build the authority will win. Not business that the publishing the 500 random blogs, not business that looking for a shortcuts, not business trying to game the algorithm. The future belongs the brand that become a trusted source, the brand that answer the real questions, the brand that share real expertise, the brand that people trust. Because an AI drive world, the trust become the most valuable asset. So, in SEO, is SEO that? According to me, no. SEO is evolving. And GEO is not replacing SEO. GEO is becoming the next layer on the top of the SEO. SEO plus GEO. The business understand the shift earlier than the massive advantage. If you guys enjoy the first episode of the Krupali Talks, let me know in the comment. Do you think SEO is that? Or do you think simply the evolving? I generally love to hear your thoughts, and if you are like my conversation about the AI business, marketing, growth, technology, and the further, make sure to subscribe. I am Krupali, and we will see you in the next episode of Krupali Talks. Thank you.